Video 51. Show that the conclusion C follows from the premises. In part A, we have only one premise. That premise implies conclusion C. In the second problem, we have two premises. These two premises imply conclusion C. C problem consists of three premises. All three premises together imply this conclusion negation. Now we are going to use truth table. How truth table can be used to conclude the implications. So question A, we have only two propositions P and Q involved here. Here also P and Q. Only in the third one we have three P, Q, R. Now what we need is P, Q, and then P conditional Q is our H1. P conditional Q is our H1. This is our H1. And then for the right side we need P and Q, and then the conclusion P conditional P and Q. So H1, hypothesis 1, conclusion. Now here the possibilities in the truth table, both are T, TF, FT, FF. P conditional Q is false only when P is true and Q is false. In all other three cases it is only true. Conditional is false only when P is true and Q is false. P and Q both are T, so you will get T. One of them is T, the other one is F, so you will get F. It is F, both are F, you get F. Now next one we have to write P conditional P and Q. This and this. TT is T in conditional. TF is F. FF is F. This F and this F is F. Okay, now we are going to conclude. In H1 we observe that first, third and fourth rows have the premise H1. So conclusion is like this. We observe that first, third and fourth rows have the premise H1. The premise H1 has the truth value T. Look, H1 is here. First row, third row, fourth row. In all three things. What about the conclusion? So the conclusion is, here I made a mistake. Conditional. What is conditional? P conditional this. Only TF is F. The other things are all true. Only T to F is false in conditional. Other things are all true. So this also true, this also true. Now you can see the conclusion also in the same row C has the truth value T. In the same rows C has truth value T. That is the rows in which H1 has truth value. C also has the truth value in the same rows. Therefore H1 implies same rows has the truth value T. Therefore H1 implies the conclusion C. So let us go to part B. In part B we have two hypotheses. Conclusion C is Q. Now we have only two propositions P and Q. What we need is negation P. Negation P. This is our H1. H1 is negation P. H2 is P or Q, and the conclusion is Q. PQ means TT, TF, FT, FF. Now negation P, opposite negation of T is F, T, T. P or Q, TT is T. TF is also T, FT is also T, FF only F. C is Q, we repeat Q, T, F, T, F. Now look at H1 and H2, both are having truth value T only in the third row. Only in the third row, both H1 and H2 have truth values T. So in the same row, C is also having in the same row, C also has the truth value T. Therefore, H1, H2 implies the conclusion C. So this completes part B. Next we will have to go to part C. There we will have PQ, or there are three hypotheses, premises. We will have to prove that one.